We have a massive problem in the States right now, and it's not that we're lazy. It's the exact opposite. We're addicted to the feeling of being busy. It's called productivity porn. You know the routine. You spend your entire Sunday night color coding a Notion workspace. You download the latest Second Brain app. You buy a $50 digital planner because an influencer in a high-rise apartment told you it would change your life. It feels like work. It tastes like success, but at the end of the day, your actual output is zero. We've turned getting ready to work into a professional sport. In a culture obsessed with the American dream and the grind, we've been tricked into thinking that a better dashboard equals a better life. Today, I'm investigating the productivity industrial complex to show you why your systems are actually your biggest distraction. I decided to go deep. I spent 30 days living the optimized life. I followed every life-hacking guru on my feed. I integrated my calendar, my to-do list, my habit tracker, and my journal into one giant, seamless digital ecosystem. I was the ultimate performer on paper. But here's what happened in the real world. I spent 4 hours every morning just managing my system. I was checking boxes that didn't need to be checked. I was moving tasks from today to tomorrow with a beautiful yellow animation. I was experiencing toxic productivity, the high of being organized without the ROI of actually shipping anything. Silicon Valley has gamified our focus. They've given us streaks and badges for opening apps, making us feel like we're winning the game while we're still sitting on the sidelines. We aren't building businesses, we're building digital scrapbooks. We have to ask, who is this for? These apps aren't designed to make you productive, they're designed to keep you engaged. In the US tech economy, your attention is the product. When you spend hours setting up complex workflows, you aren't working, you're consuming. You're consuming the aesthetic of productivity. It's a performance. We take a clean desk photo for the gram, we show off our Notion Life dashboard, and we receive instant social validation. But real work is messy. Real work doesn't fit into a tidy little database. In the States, we've confused busyness with business. If your game plan requires 2 hours of maintenance a day, it's not a system, it's a hobby, and it's a hobby that's keeping you broke. I stopped looking at the influencers and started looking at the actual heavy hitters, the people running the companies, the ones actually moving the needle in the US economy. You know what I found? They don't have 15 apps. Most of them don't even have a second brain. They have a single focus. While we're out here optimizing our font choices in Obsidian, they're analog. They're using a legal pad and a pen. They aren't multitasking. They aren't chasing the latest biohack. They are doing the one thing we're all trying to avoid, the actual, boring, difficult work. They understand that a system is only as good as the results it produces. If your bottom line hasn't moved in 6 months, it doesn't matter how pretty your planner looks. Here is the no BS truth. You don't need a lifestyle overhaul. You need to delete the noise. I threw away the digital planners. I uninstalled the habit trackers. I went back to a single piece of paper and one goal per day. I call it the rule of one. My productivity didn't just improve, it exploded. Because I wasn't managing a system anymore, I was finally shipping. Productivity porn is a drug. It gives you the hit of success without the sweat. Stop organizing your life and start living it. Your Notion setup isn't going to build your career, you are. If you're tired of the optimization trap and want more investigations into what actually works in the real world, hit the subscribe button. I'm here to be the guy who calls out the fluff so you can focus on the results. Next week, I'm looking into the networking lie. Is your inner circle actually a group of friends or just a bunch of people trying to sell you something? See you then.